Hi, this is Joan Pratt, and I am so excited to show you my brand new listing here in Bell Mountain Ranch. The address is 1003 Night Wind Circles. We are priced at $1.3 million. This home is beautiful. It sits on a majestic just under 5-acre lot. It's 5,260 finished square feet, including 4 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bedroom in the walkout basement. Are you ready? Let's go take a look. In addition to new interior wall paint, this kitchen was recently remodeled with all new Bosch appliances, including a trash compactor, electric cooktop, double ovens, and double dishwashers. So right off our kitchen is this beautiful dining room that is just surrounded with natural light and windows, and more of these amazing hardwood hickory floors. This is the formal seating area, or parlor as they used to call it. Can you see all those amazing trees? They look so beautiful, and this deck actually wraps all the way around the house. This home has a very open, kind of roundabout floor plan. When we enter the front door and go to the left, we're immediately greeted by this office with all this custom cabinetry and this neat little pull-out desk extension. It has exotic limestone in here, is what it looks like. The family room is super open to the kitchen here, and so no one gets to feel left out when there's a party or when there's just an amazing meal being prepared. Cooks and bakers and chefs alike can watch the TV and totally feel like they are part of the family and part of all the activity that's going on here. The deck actually wraps around almost the whole house. There you go. Look at all these beautiful trees. There's also a detached shed, which is 12 by 20, I think. Don't quote me, but it's really large. And all of these trees were hand planted, of course. The property line goes out there to that little birdhouse. It looks like a piece of wood sticking out of the ground with a birdhouse on it. There are a lot of birds out here. I'm not sure if you can hear it or if our noise cancellation is preventing you from it, but they are out here chirping and squawking and singing all around. The property line actually goes all the way to the street right there. This is a corner lot, and you can kind of get a feel for how this porch wraps around, and we're going to span up and let you take a look at the ceiling fans just to cool you off on those hot summer days. This little dollhouse has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms upstairs. The first bedroom here has its own walk-in closet. And again, it is surrounded with amazing windows that just take in the nature and beauty that is Bell Mountain Ranch. They thought of everything, even a main floor laundry. Which is right off the awesome master suite. Again, walls and walls of windows. There's even a fireplace in here, so when you are soaking in the tub or just waking up from bed, you can enjoy a beautiful fireplace along with your snow-capped mountains. This is a 5-piece bath. It does have separate sinks, a separate tub and shower, and toilet area. The tub is jetted. There's a huge closet also. Has lots of shelves, staggered hanging rods for all of your clothing and storage needs. It's also cedar lined, and they put all the hickory in here too, so it's really nice not to have any carpet. The upstairs guest bathroom was recently remodeled as well, and it has this beautiful quartz and this amazing shower with the separate shower heads. There are 2 more bedrooms on this floor, so we're going to go check them out. They both have their own walk-in closets as well. And they have the same cedar-lined closets that they have in the master. You might notice that this room actually has carpet in it, but all the rest of them are hardwood. This is brand new carpet. I think if I were a kid, this would be the bedroom that I would select. It's actually in the front of the house, but it has it's very spacious, has a big walk-in closet, and it just has all these windows with a view of Bell Mountain. For those of you who are not familiar with Bell Mountain, we'll come over here and, oh wow, we almost got that on camera. We can take a look. It's right up there behind that gray house, or sort of a plateau. That up top there is Bell Mountain. We are here in the lower level. This home has a fully finished walkout basement that the previous owners used as a music recording studio and a jam session room. So it is actually kind of what we are calling a bedroom, because it is right off of its own adjacent bathroom and little kitchenette. So come on, let's take a look. Lots of windows down here. You certainly don't feel like you are in a basement. And this is that music room. And it comes through here to its own ensuite guest bathroom and kitchenette that has its own dishwasher and 2 little fridges. Isn't this just beautiful cabinetry? I really love it. It's so pretty. It's even got slow closed doors. This area is plumbed for some type of water. The previous owners had a fish tank here, and so if you have someone that has a love for fish, they could easily set up their home fish tank session or fish tank area here. And this would also be a great eating area, or because of the tile floors and being right off of the kitchen. So if you had guests that were coming to stay, they could have their bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and eating area. Well, what do you think? Could this be your dream home? This beautiful dollhouse sits atop 5 acres in Bell Mountain Ranch, which is in Castle Rock, Colorado. We have amazing views and just a lovely, lovely setting. If this is something you would love to take a personal tour of, please reach out to me at the contact information below. And if this home isn't your dream home, but you know of someone that might appreciate this, we would love it if you would share this with them. And certainly, we'd also love it if you would connect us with them. We have a referral program to help us build our business by the amazing people that like and subscribe to our channel, and our clients that take amazing care of us. So we try to take amazing care of them as well. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and choose to make it a great day.